G'day, here's a small parcel of offcuts and semi-work pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. Help highlight the colours, and you can see there the reflection of the lights. Yeah, I've just gone in a little bit closer. This first piece has been drilled to make it into a pendant, so you might like to continue that. It's undulating face, so you need to use a Dremel. Next piece, a nice little pattern, rainbow pattern there. Make a nice little stone. And flash of red there in the middle. Again, stick enough for a pendant. Sorry, stone. This is very dark blue. It's showing up in the corner, but it's not one of the better stones. And this one's concave. Dremel. Again, just a little bit of red there in the middle, but nothing to write home about. This is the prettiest stone. Red down the bottom there, greens at the top. A couple of little eyes of colour in that one. Just needs to be shaped up, that one. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.